everybody, welcome to The Colors of Beauty by Elle. I'm Isabel. Welcome back everyone. Today is another house vlog. It is Saturday, the day before Mother's Day. I'm having just a little get together today with my kids here at the house, at my house here, because my daughter, my youngest daughter, who is going to be 33, she was actually born on Mother's Day, but her birthday's the 14th, but when she was born it was on Mother's Day. So last year her birthday fell on Mother's Day, so this year it did not, but that's okay. So we're having a little get together. I'm just making some hot dogs. We're going to be grilling hot dogs, hamburgers, some sides, and so my kids are coming with the grandkids, and so I'm getting ready to, I'm preparing. So it's not going to be anything fancy, because I don't want anything too fancy, you know what I mean? It's just a get together. So let me show you what I've got so far. Okay, I'm going to be making macaroni salad. So I just did the macaroni. I have to put all the stuff in there. And I'm going to be making this is milk. I'm going to be making the ranch dressing for some vegetables. In here, I've got some beans if anybody wants, like hot dog, chili dogs. And I got all my condiments here. And over here, I got some stuff in the fridge too, but here is just a little plate of, what are these? Pepperonis, cheeses, some tomatoes, chips. I'm going to be making guacamole because she loves guacamole. Oh my God, this girl can eat guacamole like no tomorrow. Chips. I'm going to be putting some mixed vegetables in here to dip. Crackers for this. And then in here is going to be some dip for the vegetable tray. Some little plates here. So, some soda. And we got in here some pumpkin beans. Pumpkin beans. Oh, and I'm going to be making the guacamole. So, oh, itchy. So yeah, that's why, everybody's gonna come at about 1. So scraggling in, or straggling. No sé cómo se dice. Oh my God, how do you say it? Oh well. the get mixed up between Spanish and English. But anyways, everybody's going to be starting to come in around 1. So Mr. Man went to go get some ice and some pickles because I forgot pickles. I always forget something. Do you guys ever forget stuff when you're having a party or a dinner or something, or in Thanksgiving? I'm like famous for that. I forgot. I'll go get it. So yeah. Oh, I have to tell you a story real quick. Before I see you in a little bit. 1 year, when was it? I don't know. When we first got married, my husband and I, we had Thanksgiving at our house, and we had my parents over when we first got married, a long time ago. And we didn't have, because we were so young, we did not have a corkscrew. Well, not a corkscrew. Oh my God, Isabel, I didn't have a corkscrew. No, I didn't have a wine opener. God, a corkscrew. We didn't have a one of those wine openers, you know what I'm talking about? Those things that looks, I don't know, to open up a bottle of bubbly. So my husband's like, I'll go get one. So he was seriously gone for like 2 hours. I'm like, and we didn't have these kind of phones back then. We didn't have texting, and we didn't have phones. So I was like, where is he? I was like getting worried. My parents were getting worried. He comes in finally. And he's like, oh my God. He says, because back then none of the stores were open. They didn't have, the stores weren't open on Thanksgiving, you see, back in the day. So everybody was closed. So all the stores were closed. He was like, I could not find a opener anywhere. He said, I went to Circle K, they didn't have any. And so he finally had to go like far away to this one little store, like and I don't know where it was. He said, I had to go to one of the little mom and pop stores that were open for just a little while. And he found and he was like, I'm so sorry. He says, I know. Nothing was open. It was hilarious. He comes back all, like all sweaty, like, oh my God. It's like running around trying to find a corkscrew. Not a corkscrew, I can say that. No, a bottle opener. What do you call those things? Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, Isabel, I'm like a monkey. Where is it? Now I have one. See, one of these. What are these called? Bottle? I don't know. But yeah. So anyways, I'm going to get going and get some other stuff done. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay. This is my grandson, and he is going to dance the floss. And ready and go. Yay! It's fabulous, fantastic. Yay! Let's see you now, Chi-Chi. Come on. This is my baby girl. And go. Whoa, you are so talented. Now take a bow. Oh, yay! That was beautiful. Very nice. This is my birthday girl. Aw. Birthday girl's turn.
Okay, this is a new move, people. I have to start slow. I don't know, back in my day it was the sprinkler, okay?
Whoa! Look at me!
Look at me!
So everyone's here! Almost. I'm missing one boy. Oh, look at Doodoosh. Oh my God, he's so cute. Hi, Mommy. His little Elvis hair. Elvis hair. Aww. Oh, you know who I am, huh? Is he gonna pout?
I gave Shell her birthday balloon
He's like,
card to try to distract her.
he's starting to go.
I got some excitement.
Just like the worst.
Oh.
And I'll sit back up.
This is Mommy of my grandbaby. He's so cute. Son is here. My daughter's here. Grandbaby's here. She's a granddaughter Kayla, which we're gonna do an opening. And my grandson. Say hi, honey. Hi. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Nana. Look, camera. Say hi, Nana. Okay. So later on, we're going to have a box opening for the beauty side of my vlog.
We're having a bong smoking? What is it?
A box opening. So,
A bong smoking.
are you excited, Kayla?
I'm nervous. I don't know.
This is the box opening of the Huda Beauty palette. So we're going to see.
I'll talk for her. I just don't know what to do with myself. I'm so excited.
I'm just so pointless.
Mr. Eeyore over there.
That'll fix everything.
Okay, we are going to be doing an unboxing.
She don't want it!
of what are we doing? of this. Yeah. So let me turn you guys around.
I don't want none of that.
So let me know when you're ready.
I'm too 40.
I don't want
So-
Why did everyone come in here?
And she's
Support you.
she's very to support you. Look, there's your uncle with baby.
I can be your
What's up, peace? Hair trade.
Kayla.
There's zombies.
There's on.
For you and pretend I know you.
Iris, the birthday girl, and Miss Kayla. Are you ready, Miss Kayla?
I don't know this.
She's excited. Tell us what's happening.
I don't know why I've seen the house.
Why are you scared, Kayla?
She's so scared. She's
So scary.
she's scared. She's scared. So Kayla, tell us what you have. Pretend.
What?
Just pretend. Oh, this is going to be on my vlog. Let's keep it clean. So pretend you're doing your YouTube videos, but you're on mine. Tell us what you have.
In like the Instagram videos, they go like this and then they like lift it up and then their eyes. You see this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
You never,
So what do you have?
You'll never believe what we found in the
The
corner.
beauty desert dust house.
Fuzzy.
Let me see.
And who got it for you?
You.
And I am who?
You're my grandma.
And I'm the
Yeah, yeah. That's
the.
the best grandma in the world.
That's right. Jeez, what's it take?
The only girl. I got it first try, I'm just saying.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh.
Let me see, Kayla. Oh, let's do a close up. Let's do a close up.
Doesn't this look like
Go ahead.
I have no idea what's going on.
I want the world to know Goku stronger than Superman.
it's like
Look at that. Ooh, are we swatching?
Well, I don't want to touch it until I do my eyeshadow.
Okay. Do you love it?
yes. Do you want some more of it?
They have this
Is it
palette.
everything you thought it would be and more?
This palette is still online. I got it at Sephora for $65.
That will be fun.
Now she wants to eat it. Now Emmett wants to look at it.
Just love it. Just stroke it.
Isn't it beautiful?
Mama, they just Iris.
That's Emmett, love bear.
Emmett?
That's Emmett, isn't she?
Yeah, he's an Emmett dog.
Yes, my love. An Emmett dog.
He's so cute.
Okay, do one swatchy. She's gonna do a swatchy. Let me see.
Next
I'll do
finger.
all of the matte ones.
Let me see.
No, I gotta see the sparkly ones, Kayla. Come on.
But they're like a.
I just need you to do it for me.
She wants to see the sparkly. The sparkly ones are toppers, so they're gonna be like.
Yeah, it's Rufus.
It's pretty. That's gonna like pop, you know, against your skin.
You okay? I ran out of fingers.
Your thumb.
Oh, I love that color. I love that one. Peace.
Use your other hand.
You do one of the sparkly ones. Do that. The pink one.
Oh.
You have to do it.
Oh. Oh. Sleepy baby. Oh no.
So this is the unboxing of the Huda Beauty for Miss Kayla. To be continued. So the rest of the family is here.
Make sure you get renter's
Daughter-in-law.
For the renters.
my
Yeah, but you're gonna want
son-in-law.
that.
The renters have to get it.
No. You need renter's insurance to be renting another property, and then the home is gonna be under a rental property.
Okay,
My
yeah.
son over
Just
there.
make sure that you get yourself covered.
Say hi, honey.
Because then if you get your renter's insurance, get it like.
Say hi, boys.
Make it happen. So everything that's going
YouTube.
into storage, whatever you're doing.
6 million subscribers. Hi, strangers.
Strangers.
Purple play button.
I'll just never mind.
Get renters.
Look at my table.
Friendly montage.
Homeowners insurance to a
What?
rental
Family friendly.
Yes, family friendly.
And the liability increases. Decide to sue you for something,
Tell us
you're
what
gonna
you're
want to be
eating,
covered.
Tina.
Right.
Okay. Yummy.
I'm gonna get close above you. What are you eating?
When are you guys leaving, Adrian?
Mom. It's all over my face. Totally, dude. It's all in this area. I don't even know how you got in your hair, but it's there.
What you got there, Adrian?
Beans.
Beans?
And I'm gonna make what Tina made. Look at that.
Oh yeah, there's right here.
You know where?
Oh, that's what it is.
You know where you're gonna stay at?
No.
Okay. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Monkey has to. All right, blow your candle.
Yes, it's kissing you.
Blow it, blow it.
And $1 million to go.
Oh, yay! Child, look at my Superboy. Let me see.
Hold on, I'm trying to get him to take
Another
his
thing we didn't even.
Oh my God, he's
we
so
don't even really do much
cute.
with this now anyway. 'Cause we're
Oh
so
my
busy
goodness,
doing
look
that.
at that.
All
Bobo.
my guys are my night.
Oh my God, baby.
You know.
Hello. Hello, cute big boy. So as you can see, it's already pretty late. Still got some of my kids here and my grandkids over there, over here. And so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and say goodbye at this point. And I'm gonna show you the flowers that I got today from my kids. They're so beautiful. Hold on a second. Look how pretty that is. Aren't those beautiful? And they got some roses. Some beautiful flowers. And I got some more over here. Got them for Mother's Day. Kids are still playing. My dogs are tired though. There's one. There's Iris. And then Rufus. Right
She sold us
there.
our house.
So I hope you guys all have a beautiful, colorful day. And please subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe.
I'm walking! Oh, she's walking. Look at me! From this angle, it looks so real. From this angle. For the thumbnail? Can you post this on your YouTube channel for the thumbnail?
I don't know, maybe. Let me see.
I can't walk. Wait, but for the... My leg's broken.